Oh, hello. And welcome back. No, I'm sorry it's been a while, but we've been under the weather lately, and, well, you know, it's hard to... What? No, I'm not making a video. I'm sweeping up. Yes, good night. Night. Anyway, yeah, so we have got some done, but not a lot. Like I said, we've been under the weather, so just show you what we've been up to, yes. So here we are. This piece is finished, yeah, as you can see it's quite nice and shiny. And then got that little piece in there to tap, and it's all looking fan-dabby-dozy, yeah. And then we did a little bit more cutting, yeah. Yeah, right along here, this is all cut off. And so yeah, we're just sort of getting to where we're cutting off all the bad stuff, and then see where we're going to be joining this car to a donor car. So I'm not really sure where we're getting to, but I do know one thing. He was hoping to do a little bit of high-tech stuff, and I know a lot of people have been asking to see the press in action. So and now he was wanting to put this this iPodly thingy in the dashboard, but it doesn't fit. So I think I was going to give him a little bit of a hand. So if you just bear with me and just grab this here, just a second. Yeah, so here it is. It's some thing of a jigga-doo-dah. So I think if you put that in here, just like maybe put it this way. There we go, that way, because it sits better with the button in the dashboard. And then you just sort of go like just like this. And anyway, moving on. So yeah, the car's coming on quite well. So we finished making this thing, and this is for helping making the doorstep, and it's going to help with getting the little tiny lip, because this was too big. So we get this. So that should really yes. Let's not dare talk about that. And then so I've been starting to put some things together here for the A-pillar to have the piece going. So yeah. Sorry, it's a bit of a short video, but like I said, hopefully we'll get back at it and give it a golly good old try. And so we will have to sign off for now and say tatty bye for now. So cheery bye. Ding, 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 ding.